Hi, all, a warm welcome to one and all to relaunch your career. I'm going to help you, or I'm going to take you through a process through which you could relaunch your career without stepping out of your home. So, let me tell you a little about myself. I'm Mrs. Aishwarya Anishal, an MBA MSc Psychology graduate from Coimbatore. I come with 6 plus years of corporate experience in HR recruitment and as a trainer. So, who are you here today? Today, we have a different set of people, right? Some of you are students, some of you are a stay at home parent, whether a single mother or a single father. Some are working women, some are working men, and all of us have a common need of having a source of income. Some of us need a mainstream income, some of us are looking for an additional income, and some of us want to have a passive income from the regular income. Is that right? So, what do you miss in your life? You know, do you miss a recognition? You are a talented person, but you have given up your career to take care of your home. An office pressure, you do everything, but recognition is not there. Somebody else takes the recognition you deserve. An identity. Do you have an identity just as an ex company employee, or just an housewife, or just one among the other student, or nobody? Do you have a personal income? Do you have something called as a safer zone, a personal, say, apart from your regular income? Do you have any other streams of income that keeps you or that gives you a peace of mind that you're financially safer? Do you Are you able to have enough family time? You able to manage your work life and also spend equal quality time for your family? Are you able to have a stress free life? You don't have to worry about your tomorrow, which is secure. Do you have the same questions in your life? Do you miss all this? Yes, I had the same questions, and when I met this person through Facebook, I got to change my life. So this is my mentor, Mrs. Leela Bhuminathan. This is her family picture before she started this opportunity. She was yet another homemaker who was searching for an identity like you and me. She's a BSc Computer Science dropout and MBA dropout. She did not have a job or prior business experience. She had the fear of failure and risk to do anything new. And today, this is her post starting this opportunity. Today, she is a CEO of Career Reignition Plan and she has an income of 1 crore rupees per annum. She's gifted her husband a Creta car, 2 Europe trips, and she's earning 3 lakhs per month. And as a team, our last year achievement is that we helped 23 plus women to earn more than 50k per month, a professional income of 50,000, 100 plus women to earn more than 20k. Our goal as a team is to empower more than 1,000 women. So, what was I? How did my life change? I was a corporate employee. I had severe work life imbalance. I used to work from 8 to 10 every day. I used to reach by 7:30. I used to start from from my PG, rush to the office, be there by 8, finish my work at 8 from office, come back to home and take the pending work. There was no recognition. It was highly patriarchy. You could see me in the picture. I'm wearing a uniform in one of the top MNC in India. Look at the uniform. And staying away from my family. I had to be away because my city did not have the job offer for my education. During a situation, I had to come back and stay with my family, through which I lost my career. When I was starting to get back to my job after a break, either I was misfit or I was being overqualified being in my hometown. I was not being able to support my father or my husband financially, which drained me a lot. The personal loss made me highly depressed, and I did not have an identity. Wherever I moved out, I was so and so's daughter, so and so's wife, and so's daughter in law. The identity of Aishwarya was completely not there. Aishwarya was not visible to anyone. What changed my life? And how did Mrs. Leela Bhuminathan's interaction change my life? I got to be associated with a 50-year-old brand which was empowering people and their dreams. Yes, I am proud to be associated with a brand called Oriflame, which is Europe's largest beauty company, which is present in 60 plus countries, and we have more than 30 lakh people working with us. And this association changed my life forever. There are three roles for you, and you can choose from the role that interests you the more. As a customer, I started as a customer, so I got the products that suited me. I understand. I got my skin analysis, I got my health analysis, and I was purchasing products without any limit with 20% discount. I was very happy. But one point of a time, seeing recognition of few ladies, I asked what is it and how to achieve. That is when my position transitioned from a customer to business coach. So before going to business coach, let me tell you what you can do. You can also be a seller with Oriflame. You can sell and get immediate 22% profit. You know you are trained to be a seller here. You can take the selling training and recommend the right product for the right person. There is no limit in your purchase. You can make maximum money, and also you will get an add-on 20% profit when you sell. Now, coming to the business coach, my role. I became a business coach, a trainer, a Facebook marketing analyst with Oriflame. I started buying the products for self use, that is 100 BP. I learned the free digital marketing training that is taught through the Supremacy Academy. I leveled up with the proper success planning given to me. My roles changed from a consultant to a manager to a senior manager and to a director. I have a regular 5-figure monthly income, a handsome 5-figure monthly income along with the 20% discount. I've got various trade recognitions, and I have taken my family for 3 national conferences. Also, I have qualified for 1 international conferences and 2 more national level conferences once the lockdown is over. So what do I do? How can I earn this 50,000? What do I do as a business coach? The first principle here is to buy for your personal use of 100 business points, and the second principle is very simple. You are going to refer people, or you are going to recruit people to your team, like-minded people like you who are in need of an income, who are in need of a recognition, who are in need of an foreign trips. You are going to recruit people with need and give them a success plan, and by being their mentor, you become the people's mentor and help them to have a better life here. So what is the tool to grow? These products, we have various range of products shown here, and these products become our tool toward the growth. This income chart shown to you here is very much open. It is not that only after your boss goes to a level that you grow. Anyone who has the dream and anyone willing to work can scale up their career without waiting for the immediate boss, or without waiting for the person who introduced you, or without waiting for the person who gave you this opportunity. If you're willing, you can grow along. You will be mentored by the company. You will be mentored by the senior directors over here. Let me show you the life of a gold director, guys. Our plan is gold for all. These are 2 young students, 20-year-old, who are living the CEO life. Look at the cash award. Both of them qualified for multiple cash awards. They got 75,000 cash award and a gold director cash award of 1 lakh. Look how they are recognized. So what is a gold director lifestyle? As a gold director, you are eligible to qualify for the car program. You can gift your family a car worth 15 lakhs. You are eligible for foreign trips. You get a grand recognition. This is our leader who represented as a gold director. She represented India in a stage in front of 3,000 people. See, look at how beautiful the gold director's life is. Your lifestyle changes completely, and also you become a lifestyle consultant here. This is a sapphire and diamond recognition going forward. So what do you get? You get a monthly income of 1 lakh rupees. What would you do when this 1 lakh income hits your bank account every month? Apart from this, a cash award of 2,25,000. You get a diploma and a golden pin, and you get to qualify for the conferences. I had shown you the conference picture of the gold directors, and you also qualify for the car program. You can choose whichever car you want, and the company will give you. And what will happen when you duplicate a successful system? This was me, one among many, when I was working in the corporate between 2015 to 2016. And this is me. In 1 year, I have qualified for six five national trips and one international trip. I have got a cash award of 50,000. I have got an annual income. My current annual income is 6,50,000, and I've got multiple stage recognitions, and I would be getting a silver pin. I've already got the silver pin. Officially, it is to reach me because of the lockdown. So this is a duplication of our system. Our team has been able to produce 2 directors and 2 senior managers in the last 6 months. This is the last 6 months uh, people on stage, and we have got so many managers who are qualified. Our tool to a faster growth is like we use the hero products for success, which is the knowledge and the wellness. You can know more about the hero products in a Supremacy Academic group as you join us. You don't have to sell. By using the hero product, you can just save your time, and you have to just tell them the benefit of using. You are not going to sell here by using the hero products. How do we stay connected? How do we work? We stay connected digitally. If you have a smartphone, an Android phone, or a laptop, that's more than enough. And this is how our team of successful ladies work together, have fun. And this is a team representing in various events. This was the start of last January, and this is the October picture in the middle. Look how big we have grown. The various events we have been part of. And these are our successful digital entrepreneurs in the last 6 months who have been working with us and qualifying for various trips, recognitions, and award. And now we are open to questions.